Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yarimughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide pet shop Instagram story templates. Here you see we have many templates. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any layer according to your own choice. For example, if you want to replace your dog or any of your pet here, simply click here, double click here, and then open your image that you want to replace, and then drag here, then press Ctrl S to save. Then you see your image replace here. Same like it, you can edit any of this layer. If you want to replace this text, then simply go to text tool and select this text. This font is missing. For example, I write here Yarimughal. And if you want to change its font or color, simply press Ctrl A to select all and then select the font that you want. For example, I select this and then same like it, you can edit any template. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.